Hey, what's up, guys, boys and girls, fellow collectors from all around the world? Yvan Seb, the French collector, is back for yet another video, guys. So after, well, how long was it? 10-12 minutes long unboxing video, and after a 30 minutes long review, I really thought I covered everything. I said everything that needs to be said about this amazing Proton Pack. Turns out, while my second video was uploading on my YouTube channel, I discovered more things about this amazing Proton Pack. So hopefully this video will be shorter, but I'm gonna try to show you some of these Easter eggs. Have I found them all now? I still don't know. But before we talk about this, there's something else that I want to talk about, because in my review I talked about how loud the motor is, and you know, I mean, it's not such a big deal for me, but apparently to a lot of guys out there it's unbearable. Okay, a few of you have asked me, but how does it sound while you're wearing it? Is it still as loud? So, you know, I'm just gonna show you. So first of all, I gotta switch on the motor because I switched it off yesterday. So boom. So I'm gonna put the sound to the minimum. I'm gonna turn off the sound so we can only hear the sound of the motor. Switching it on. Okay, so that's the sound it makes while sitting on this plastic stand, right? So now let's try it. How does it sound while I'm wearing it? Yeah, to me it's just the same. I can't really hear a difference. It's just as loud. Whoa, so that's the sound it makes when it switches off. Damn. Well, damn, this still looks pretty badass even without the Alice frame. Maybe I should start cosplaying after all. Wearing this is a freaking dream come true, guys. Yeah, guys, I don't really know what to think about this. It doesn't really bother me at all because I'm never gonna use the motor. You know, I don't care for the vibrations. First of all, because like I said, I don't think I'll ever use it for cosplay. Right, so it's just gonna sit on its stand, so I don't need the vibrations. Although I gotta say, if you're gonna wear this at a convention, if you're gonna cosplay, wearing this for hours, it's also not very comfortable to constantly have to feel those vibrations in your ass and in your back, you know. So whether it's for cosplay or on its stand, I don't think the vibrations are really necessary. But yeah, a lot of people keep complaining about the sound of the motor, but I mean, guys, it is what it is. If you want this to vibrate, obviously you're gonna have a motor inside, and if you're gonna have a motor inside, obviously it's gonna make a sound, right? I mean, this vibrates. And you can hear it as well, you know. At least on the pack you have the option to deactivate the motor. On the wand, you can't. So everything that vibrates, that has a motor, is bound to make a shitty sound. The light bars on the roof of the Blitzway Ecto 1 make a crazy sound. I remember that vehicle that Hot Toys made years ago from that movie Tron Legacy. What's it called? That light cycle, I think. also had a motor, and that sound was hideous. It was crazy. So what can you do about it, guys? Like I said, again, at least you can deactivate it. Mine is forever gonna be deactivated. I mean, look, like so, on display, even without the sounds, it's beautiful, you know? So who cares about the vibrations, guys? I don't give a shit. I was just thinking, in my review, I said how much I love this, how perfect it is, but putting myself in the shoes of a cosplayer now, there's still one thing that sucks big time. I just use my timer to see how long the pack stays on before it deactivates by itself. So from the moment you switch it on, you have 3 minutes, a bit more, 3.5 minutes before it shuts down. After that, you have a window of 5 minutes, I think, to reactivate it with the wand. Past those 5 minutes, the wand is useless. You'll have to use that switch on the pack. But even if you reactivate it with the wand, if you don't use the wand, after 30-35 seconds, the wand also deactivates, and when it deactivates, it also switches off the pack. So this really sucks, because again, if you're gonna wear this for hours at a convention, you're constantly, every 5 minutes or every 3 or 4 minutes, you're gonna have to reactivate it with the wand, or else you're constantly gonna have to take off your pack or ask someone to switch it on for you again. So yeah, that's the main complaint I have. Hasbro should have given us the option to just leave it on for as much as we like, you know? Who cares, you know? They're not paying the batteries, we are. So if I want this to be on for 5 hours, that's my problem, not Hasbro's. But it is what it is. So I still don't know what this compartment is meant for. Let me just try this. Damn it! My wallet fits in there. Well, sadly, it's not like there's 1,000 bills in there anyway. Or you can carry at least one of these little douchebags in there. Another thing I found is that, can you see it here? It's a bit too dark. There's a hidden switch, and it actually does nothing, but it is a working switch. So maybe for those who are brave enough to mod their packs, maybe they can use that switch to add another electronic feature. I don't know. Now, a super cool Easter egg. If you haven't watched my previous video, when I assembled this pack, at some point this happened. Let's leave it on and let's try the afterlife mode. Afterlife mode, are you guys ready? Let's check this out. So what you didn't see then, because I just cut the video right there, for 2 minutes I freaked out. I was like, oh no, what the hell is wrong now? What happened? Is it damaged already? Is something wrong with it? But I only then realized that this, which I thought were fake wires, actually do have a function. There's those magnets, you need to connect them like so. And then, but that's not the Easter egg. The Easter egg that I really love, remember that scene in Afterlife when, I think Trevor is his name? He's sitting in the gunner seat of the Ecto-1, about to use the Proton Pack, and it doesn't work because those mini puffs already destroyed all the wires in the back. So it makes this sound. So look at this, when you disconnect it while the lights are on, let me increase the volume. That is so cool. One more time. Now, something that I found out only after I uploaded my review on YouTube is that sometimes, but you have no control over that. It's just randomly sometimes you'll hear those mini puffs bastards laugh and scream when you disconnect it. So let's try it and let's see how many tries it's gonna take me.
Not this time. Still not this time.
So you heard those little bastards? Now, another Easter egg. Earlier today, I left the pack running while I was washing my dishes, and all of a sudden I heard a familiar voice. So I'm gonna try to see if it can manifest itself again, and let's see if you'll recognize him. So yeah, I guess everybody recognized good old Slimer, although he was not in Afterlife, but yeah, that was good old Slimer, man. Hopefully we'll see him in the next one. Also, once in a while, again, very randomly, the pack will make different kinds of ghoulish sounds, like one that I heard earlier. Let's see if it does it again. Now, everything you just heard happened while the pack was set to Afterlife mode. Let's see now what it does when it's on the original 1984 mode. Boom. Even this is amazing. In my previous video, when I assembled the pack, I thought that these parts right here were light bulbs or something, or LEDs, but I remembered later on that there's a scene in Afterlife when Egon's ghost helps Phoebe, his granddaughter, repairing his proton pack. And the pack, if I remember well, doesn't work because one of these things are missing. So that's just amazing. You can just take them out, replace them. You know, you can remove the wires, act like you're trying to fix a proton pack. Damn, all these details are absolutely phenomenal. Every day there's a new discovery about this pack. Here we go, classic, original 1984 mode. And now let's check what happens when you disconnect this now. Okay, containment unit sound effect, aka the ghost storage facility. This is amazing. Unbelievable. Now let's see if we can find any more random sound effects while running the pack still on classic 84 mode. Did you hear that? That was amazing. That was Zool. There is no Dana here, there is only Zool. So yeah, that was the rumbling of a terror dog. Damn, that's amazing. So that was Slimer again, but on the 84 mode, and the sound still sounded different than Slimer's scream on the Afterlife mode. So I think we have two different Slimer sound effects in this pack. So guys, it is now 4 a.m. and I've been running this pack the entire night just to find those damn Easter eggs. And this is like my third sleepless night now because of this damn pack. Jeez. But anyway, if I do find more Easter eggs, I think I got them all now, but if I do find more, I'll post them on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me on there. And while I was filming this tonight, I took the decision to at least change that yellow sleeve and take off these damn rubber screws and replace them with real ones. And like I said, maybe one of these days add an Alice frame. So that's my third video, guys, about this pack. I think that's gonna be it for now. But yeah, what a fantastic piece. Thank you all for all your comments, all your likes on my two previous videos. Damn, it means a lot. I love this thing. Stay tuned for more stuff in the future. That was Ivan Seb, the French collector. See? The French collector. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace and love, guys. Bye-bye.